experiment about stored energy, and we're putting lackey bands on this watermelon, and it's going to explode soon. Back to another homeschooling video. Today we're going to be using this bottle to release condensation pressure, which we're going to have to pound the bubble instead. Okay, so today we're going to do a science experiment about stored energy. We're going to store pure hydrogen up here, and it is flammable as well. What you need is a 9V battery, some Glad wrap, some matches, a tube, and some salt. Iodine salt works the best. So what you do first is you drop the battery in. Doesn't matter if you drop it like that or you put it in gently. Then you add how much salt you want. I'm going to add that much. And then you cover it up. After 5 to 10 minutes, your water may look brown, ours doesn't, and all the hydrogen is up here. We're also going to do another experiment on stored energy, so just get in a bottle that is made of glass, that is about around this size with a long neck. You want to fill it to half the neck, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hold your hand like this, so that you can do that, you feel the top of it. You just want to drive your